So, your YouTube channel is more than just a place to upload videos. It's actually your digital stage, your personal brand, your direct line to a global audience. Every creator, whether you have 10 subscribers or 10 million, reaches a point where growth seems to slow down. But hey, this is not a sign of failure. Instead, it's a signal that it is time to evolve. Upgrading your channel is the key to breaking through that plateau. It shows your audience that you're serious about your content and that you respect their time and attention. Think of your channel as a storefront. If the sign is faded, the windows are dirty, and the products are disorganized, customers will probably walk right by. The same principle totally applies to YouTube. Upgrading is really about creating a welcoming and professional environment. It tells the YouTube algorithm that your channel is active and valuable, and building a sustainable platform for your creative voice. Your channel's brand is its personality. It's what makes you instantly recognizable in a sea of content. The first step in upgrading is to define this identity. So, what is your channel about? Who is your target audience? What colors represent your message? What fonts represent your message? What imagery represent your message? Your channel banner is the first thing people see, so you really want to make it count. It should clearly communicate your channel's value proposition. Use clean, high-resolution graphics and text that's easy to read on any device. Next, focus on your profile picture. This small image appears everywhere. For personal brands, a high-quality headshot often works best. For channels that are not personality-driven, a well-designed logo is essential. Your channel's About section is another critical yet often overlooked element of your brand. This is your opportunity to tell your story and connect with your audience on a personal level. Finally, a custom channel trailer can be a powerful tool for converting visitors into subscribers. Together, these branding elements create a powerful first impression that signals quality and professionalism. Your channel's branding can attract viewers, but only great content will make them stay. The biggest upgrade you can make is to the quality of your videos themselves. And honestly, this starts with your audio. Viewers are way more likely to forgive mediocre video quality than they are to tolerate poor audio. You don't need a professional studio microphone to get started. Even a simple lavalier microphone that clips onto your shirt will be a massive improvement. Record in a quiet room with soft surfaces, carpets, curtains to reduce echo and background noise. Good lighting is the secret to making your videos look incredible. Just position yourself in front of a window to take advantage of soft, natural daylight. If you often film at night, invest in a simple ring light or a set of softbox lights. Good lighting eliminates shadows, makes your video look crisp and clear, and instantly elevates the perceived production value. Your thumbnails and titles are the gatekeepers of your content. They determine whether someone clicks on your video or scrolls right past it. A great thumbnail should be bright, high contrast, and emotionally compelling with easy-to-read text. Pair this with a title that is searchable and intriguing, promising a solution or sparking curiosity. Finally, think about the structure and pacing of your videos. The first 15 seconds are crucial. Hook your audience immediately with a question, bold statement, or preview, then keep editing tight to increase retention. Creating great content is only half the battle. Organizing it effectively is just as important for growth. Playlists are honestly one of the most underutilized tools on YouTube. They are a powerful way to increase watch time by encouraging viewers to watch multiple videos in a single session. Group your videos into logical series or topics. For example, if you have a cooking channel, you could create playlists for easy weeknight dinners, healthy breakfast ideas, holiday baking recipes. This makes your channel way easier to navigate and sends strong signals to the YouTube algorithm. Your YouTube Analytics dashboard is your secret weapon for making smarter content decisions. It is a goldmine of data that tells you exactly what is working and what isn't. Don't be intimidated by all the numbers. Start by focusing on a few key metrics. Look at your traffic sources to see how viewers are finding your videos. Are they coming from YouTube search, suggested videos, or external sites? This information helps you understand where to focus your promotional efforts and optimization. Another critical metric is audience retention, showing where viewers drop off. Pay close attention to any big dips and identify what caused them. This feedback is incredibly valuable for improving your future content. Analytics removes the guesswork, leading to more sustainable and predictable channel growth. The journey to a better YouTube channel begins with a single step. It can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to. Embrace continuous improvement. Start small. Pick one thing to focus on this week. Designing a new channel banner, invest in a simple microphone to improve your audio. Spend an extra 10 minutes crafting a more compelling title. Each small upgrade is a victory. Don't fall into the perfectionism trap, waiting for the perfect camera, lighting, or idea. The perfect time is now. Use the tools you already have. Your channel won't be flawless overnight. Growth is a marathon, not a sprint. Be better today than you were yesterday. Document your journey. Your audience will appreciate your authenticity and enjoy watching you evolve. Your progress can inspire others. Upgrading is about reigniting your passion. See positive results, higher click-through rates, longer watch times, more positive comments, and it fuels your motivation. You'll become a better storyteller, editor, and more confident communicator. So what are you waiting for? Your audience is out there. Open a new tab. Go to your YouTube studio. Unlock your channel's true potential. Start upgrading right now. Your future self will thank you for it.